G'day viewers, I'd like to have a chat with you today about starting new apprentices. If you put on an apprentice, you need to make them understand that apprenticeship is not a job. I see too many apprentices who just think that it's a job, a low paid job, but they think that if they turn up for 4 years, do the job, then they're entitled to get an electrical license. They need to realise that it's not a job, it's a training program. Now they've got three choices when they leave school. They can either go and get a job and build a career. They can go to university and they can pay for the training, and they can pay for sometimes a couple of $1,000s a year for books. They'll also usually have to get a part-time job at Woolies or something like that, so as they can pay the rent. They finish their university degree with virtually no experience, and they've got to start at the bottom level of income and work their way up. Or they can do a training program where they get paid some money to learn. They even get paid money to go to college. And the job that they're doing is directly related to the studies that they're doing. So when they come out in 4 years' time, they compete with other tradesmen and they're on the same money as other tradesmen. Now we do say that we didn't start learning until we finished our apprenticeship. And why is that? Well, partly because in our apprenticeship we sat back with our hands in our pockets while our tradesmen did all the thinking. Only when we become a tradesman did we then have to solve problems. Today it's even harder because we don't have to solve problems. Within 5 minutes you can look up Google, see what it says, or we can ring a friend. So we don't get that problem solving experience. They need to realise that the apprenticeship is a training program and they need to study just as hard as they do at university. But at least they don't need to go out and get a part-time job. The job they've got relates to their training. They need to be aware that they need to take control of their future, take control of their career, and take control of their learning. An apprenticeship is a training program where they are supposed to learn, not just work. Yes, it's hard, but remember the old saying, to train hard, work easy. If you put on an apprentice, make sure they understand it's not a job. It's an obligation to learn and study. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.